So what shoes do amphibians wear? Open-toed. Open-toed. That was brilliant.
Perfect.
Hello there broskies, Turk Hassan back here with an unboxing video. It's been a while since I've done one of these, but these 3 Nike sneakers are worth an unboxing video. And before you ask, of course a review will be coming to each and every sneaker. So what are we waiting for? Let's do this. Gotta be careful when opening these boxes. Oh my god. Oh, gotta cut the box. Woo! Oh, baby, baby. Oh yes! Wow. Nike Air Max 1 Patta. Have a look. Have a look. Where are we? Have a look at that bad boy. Can you see it? Monarch, baby. Monarch. Patta. Patta, patta. There we go. What does that mean? Is that love life or something, isn't it? I think I saw a review saying that. Love for all, baby. Love for all. So these are fresh from the Netherlands and I entered the sort of raffle, I guess. It was like first come, first serve. But you had to jump through a lot of hoops to get these. You had to type in a couple keywords, draw like a circle or a square around a cat, and if you're lucky enough to get through those hoops, then you got yourself a pair. Luckily, I did, but it was at a premium price. Because the UK is out of the EU with all this Brexit nonsense, I had to pay shipping fees and import fees and that stuff, which really hurt me. I think it was about £50 on top of the actual retail price. So it comes to about 170 overall. In UK pounds, of course. Oh. It's a work of art. It's a work of art. Can you see those? Wowza. 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 Patta. Can you see that, baby? Patta. Now, of course, this came with a special box, so it includes extra laces and this coin bag, I guess, jewelry bag, which comes with this sort of chain bracelet. I don't know what you want to call it, bracelet, which is like the ceremonies flag and that sort of stuff, which is proper cool. Now, when you did place the order, it said there weren't a guarantee with the special boxes, so thank God they came with it. Let's have a quick look at the other one. Look, extra laces there, cell laces, which I feel would look a lot better with these. Focus, will ya? Focus. Come on, son. What are you doing with yourself? There you go. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Air Max 1 Patta. Monarch, baby. Monarch. Honestly, Patta and Nike just don't miss. With all their collaborations, this has got to be probably about a top 3 for me. Scan on here, son. Right, what we got? What we got in here? Oh, okay. Now these were a bit of a, oh my gosh, you know what I've just realized? Size has double boxed, bruh. Size, yeah, I'm not lying. Size has double boxed. Right, let's give you a little clue, shall we? GR box and all that, but can you see that? I hope you can see that. Yep, I don't even know what it is. Nike Dunk Low Retro Black Goldenrod. Come on, bro. These bits of paper, yeah, are stronger than my hairline, honestly. Well, that doesn't really mean much, but it is what it is. Okay, then. Not too bad. Not too bad, I've got to say. Holland vibes, Wu-Tang vibes, Iowa vibes, all the vibes. Because these, wow, I can't lie to you. I might have to keep these. I wasn't planning on doing so, but Jesus crispy, mate. These are nice. These are clean. Look inside. I don't know why the insole Nike branding is different to the tongue. It's a bit weird to me, but can't lie. Pretty decent. And the leather, oh man. Nah, I thought it was alright. The toe box and mid panels, about a 7 out of 10 in terms of leather. No, 8. I'd solid 8 there. That's nice. But the overlays, I'm gonna have to say it. I think the Hyper Cobalts are better than these in terms of leather quality. And the Cobalts were a joke. Wow, this is a nice colorway, you know. Honestly, I'm gonna have to do a whole review and make my mind up because these, like Mr. Sheen, are clean. Wowza, pretty nice. Give you another little loop. Pretty clean. So Nike Dunk Low Goldenrod, people. That is nice. Now the biggest one I have left till last, which is indeed from StockX. And you know how I feel about paying resale, but in all fairness, this is an early pair. What's going on? Too much going on here. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know what this is, but this is very different. Where is the tag at here? You see it? So small, like honestly. So the Nike Air Max BW Quick Strike LA, baby. And the official colorway is black, rush orange, and white. Oh yes, you are everything I need and more. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Look at these. Wow, I didn't notice that, you know. From the videos I've seen, I did not notice that. It's like a purple in the air unit. Now the Air Max BW, aka Big Window, was actually my first Air Max ever owned. I can't remember the colorway. It was donkeys years ago. Los Angeles at the back. Of course, being inspired by the Los Angeles fashion scene, which is what I've seen on the Nike sneakers app in America. And it is pretty loud, so I'm guessing that is what they were going for. But these are super clean. Got 1991 on the tag here. Can you focus, please, baby? Focus. 1991 here. Now we've got suede panels here, which I didn't anticipate, to be fair. And then we've got like a paint and leather going around the toe box, which I'm digging. Rubber Nike swooshes, very nice. I think there's a difference between the two. So let's get these out. What's the difference? Okay, so on this little toe lace accessory strap, whatever you want to call it, this has got 2021 and this has 1991, so that's a nice touch. Of course, 91 was when the Air Max BW first come out. Alongside the Air Max 180, we have also here, we've got LA on the tongue, sorry. Look, you see that? That's a nice touch as well. Look at these, boy. Wow. Yes. Yes. Now, I was going to try and get the Persian Violets, but I ended up waiting for these because I wanted to pay that bit more money to get these in early. I haven't actually seen a UK date for the LAs, but you know, America, they got them early. I think they got them around 20th of September. So I paid about $170 after shipping fees, that sort of thing from StockX, which I'm not too mad at, to be fair. Wanted to get them in early. Of course, all of these free sneakers, I will be doing a review very, very soon. Hopefully within the next day or two. But out of all three of them, I would have said the Pattas in terms of what's my favorite, but seeing them in hand, the LA BWs are just top notch. The Dunks actually surprised me, I can't lie. The colorway is super clean, way more better in hand, but the leather material, it's just not cutting it. But broskies, I will leave it there. I need to shave, I need to freshen up, I need to get these reviews done for you by the end of this week. And I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to hit me up on Instagram as well, because I post even earlier on there. And also comment down below, out of these three, which one is your favorites? But don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And of course, until the next episode, take care.